Hello students, discuss here about question number 4 of exercise 3.5. Let me see. So this is the question number 4. From the pair of linear equation in the following problem, find their solution if they exist by any algebraic method. So students, in a pair of linear equation we have discussed about a lot of method, but here we have to apply by only one. Whether you know about Bell this method, so you can apply it here. So we can take question number 4 first part here. So first part, let we see student, this is the a part of monthly hostel charge is fixed. So let me see monthly hostel charge, monthly hostel charge equal to x, and the remaining depend on the number of day. So one day charge for food, so y. When a student takes a food for 20 days, she has to pay 1000 as a hostel charge. So according to first condition, you see students, according to first condition, here monthly charge the student have to pay, and after that the food charge, 20 days food charge is meant to say 20 multiplied by, and have to pay 1000 rupees as a hostel charge, where a student B total charge we have to pay 1000, and for B students who takes for food 26 days. So same condition, x plus 26y and 1180 rupees. 1180 rupees they have to pay. Find the fixed charge and the cost of per day. So here you see students, this is the equation number 1 and this is the equation number 2. We take here x plus 2y, 20y equal to 1000, and x plus 26y equal to 1180. So by subtracting, the signs should be changed. So here x positive, so this is, we can cut here, and here 26 minus, and here positive, so this is 6y, and here you get minus 180, so minus and minus, so y equal to 180 over 6, and 6 3 is 3 times, and 0 30 times, so y equal to 30. So put the value of y equal to 30 in equation 1. Equation number 1. So equation number 1, you see here x plus 20y equal to 1000, and here x plus 20 and the value of y, that is 30, equal to, so x equal to 3 to 6, x plus 600 equal to 1000, so x equal to 1000 minus 600. So that means 400. The value of x hostel monthly charge, hostel monthly charge, that is 400 rupees, and per day food charge into y, that is 30 rupees per day. So this is the value, x equal to 400 and y equal to 30. So this is the first part, students, and after this we have to discuss here about the second question. Second question is that second part, if fraction become 1/3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerators. So let me see, students, second part we can see here. So let me fraction here x over y, and here you see if fraction became 1/3. The fraction became 1/3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator, and numerator is this, so we have to subtract 1. So here you see this is the equation number 1, and after that, students, second, and the fraction should be 1/4 when 8 is added to its denominator. So here fraction again we write x over y. Here we have to add 8 and fraction should be this. So this is the equation number second. So you can take, students, this. Let me see. Second part, you see, students, x minus y, x minus 1 equal to x minus 1 over y equal to 1/3. So we have to cross multiplication, 3x minus 3 equal to y, and here 3x minus y equal to 3. This is the equation first, and after second, x over y plus 8 equal to 1/4. So let me see here, 4x equal to y plus 8. So here 4x minus y equal to 8. So this is the equation second. And after that you see, students, 3x minus y equal to 3. And second, 4x minus y equal to 8. So you see here by subtracting we see cut, and after that we see here minus x equal to minus 5. So x equal to 5, and after that putting the value of x in any equation. Let me see, this is the equation 3x minus 5 equal to 3. We put the value x, 3 into 5 minus y equal to 3. So 15 minus y equal to 3. So y equal to 12 we find here. So the value of x 5 and the value of y 5. So the fraction should be x over y, it means to say x 5 and y 12. So this is the fraction 5 over 12. So this is the second part, students. Same this way you can do third part and fourth part. If you feel any kinds of problems, so you can send any inquiries and message. Till then,